Hey everyone, Professor Eskew. I just wanted to create a quick video on how to post to a discussion board page. So here we are on the course menu. If you go over to the menu, select discussions. Okay. Hey everyone, Professor Eskew. I wanted to make a video on how to post to a discussion board page. So I've got my shell on student preview mode. So here we are on the course homepage. If you come over to the course menu and come down to discussions, then click on, in our case, discussion board number 1. Then click on create thread. Then come down here. Here is your message box. So in the subject line, you'll want to put your name or John Doe introduction, and then maybe type in this is my introductory video. Then, if you're going to put a video in, which you are, you've got two different ways of doing it. You can hover over this film box, and what that'll do is bring up this page. So if you move this into a YouTube video, you can get the YouTube video and paste it here, then hit the tab button, and it'll show up here, and you'll hit insert. The other way you can do it is click on mashups, YouTube video, and then you can search. Simply hit go. It's searching for a YouTube video with some of these words. There are some of them. You would just click on one. Let's click on this one. Hit select. And there it is. You can choose to show your URL if you want to, just clicking yes. I usually click no, and then you hit submit. And there it is. Once you have everything, you can click submit, and it will post to the discussion board. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me or contact me, and we'll get you through this. Okay? Thanks. Have a great day.